Understanding traffic control devices, signs, signals, and markings. Your driver's education curriculum should cover important issues including pavement markings, traffic lights, and road signs. During the learner's permit test, your understanding of these traffic control devices will be evaluated, ensuring that you can drive legally and safely on our country's roads. Along with your state's official driving manual, you should utilize this part to supplement your learning of signs, signals, and markings. Traffic calming measures. Traffic control devices include road signs, traffic lights, and road markings because they direct traffic, reinforce traffic laws, and provide important instructions about what is allowed and forbidden. The warnings and traffic regulations that are conveyed by traffic control devices have been carefully created to maintain orderly traffic flow and maximize public safety. There are numerous traffic management systems. Just a 10-minute round trip from your house will bring you in contact with hundreds of road signs, signal lights, and pavement markings. As a student driver, you must learn how to decipher the communications that each form of traffic control equipment sends to other road users. Device uniformity in traffic control. Fortunately, a standard for the shapes, colors, and symbols used in traffic control devices has been created, making them simple for drivers to comprehend. It's similar to learning a language to acquire these criteria. Soon, you'll be able to read street signs, traffic lights, and pavement markings with the same ease that you do now. The Federal Highway Administration is in charge of managing traffic control device design, installation, and maintenance. Their Manual on Uniform Traffic Control Devices, MUT, specifies the countrywide standard for road signs, signals and markings. The traffic control devices you come across when driving anywhere in the United States will follow this standard. This implies that you won't need to pick up a completely new set of regulations just because you're traveling to a far-off city or country. Obeying traffic control devices. A driver's license suspension or fee may be the result of disobeying traffic control devices. Additionally, you would put both yourself and other drivers on the road in danger. Despite being fully aware of these risks, many drivers nonetheless choose to flout the rules. Never make the assumption that other drivers will obey the rules set forth by traffic control equipment. All drivers must always drive cautiously for the sake of public safety, even when the light is green or the right-of-way laws indicate they can do so without risk. Every time you cross an intersection, look out for cross-traffic. You should also provide the right-of-way to any other drivers who are not obeying traffic signs or signals. If you forcefully claim the right-of-way, you could be held partially or totally accountable for any injuries or property damage that ensues. Road markers. In the United States, there are hundreds of different traffic signs that are used often and hundreds more that you might only see sometimes. The majority of state road signs follow a uniform national standard. However, it's crucial to remember that in addition to the design specified in the MUT of the Federal Highway Administration, several states also employ some of their own regional road sign designs. A road sign's color and shape might reveal its basic meaning. These elements inform drivers of the kind of road sign they are encountering and if any immediate action is necessary. For example, if they should halt or brace themselves for a hazard. Our in-depth analysis of the layouts and descriptions of traffic signs covers types of road signs, distinct road signage, how to identify traffic signs by their color and shape, state-specific designs for road signage, traffic indicators. Any section of road with traffic lights installed when fixed road signs are insufficient to control traffic. In situations where conditions can vary, like in the following examples. At railroad crossings when only a few trains per day pass through. On a street where the flow of traffic occasionally changes. At drawbridges that can be raised and made inaccessible to vehicles. Of course, traffic lights are used much more frequently at controlled intersections than they are elsewhere. Large amounts of traffic can pass through complicated crossroads in a secure and orderly manner because of the red, yellow, and green signal lights. For drivers to change their driving behavior accordingly, they must be aware of the purposes for why various types of traffic signals are installed and how they function. Red indicates halt, and green means move, but it goes beyond that. Pavement inscriptions. Various painted lines, patterns, letters, and symbols can be seen on every major road in the nation. To support the information they provide, pavement markings are frequently utilized in conjunction with traffic lights or road signs. For instance, if low speed restriction or school zone signs are displayed close by, you might see the word slow painted on the road surface. Of course, not all pavement markings' intentions are instantly clear. How should you interpret a solid white line at the side of the road or a fractured yellow line in the middle of the street? What do the white, angled lines and triangles mean? In this video, you'll find the answers to these and many other questions. Starting with the typical pavement markings, we discuss each sort of road marker separately. People in charge of traffic. Only when a trained traffic control official is on the road and giving directions that go against the posted signs, lights, and pavement markings, can drivers disregard them. In many situations, disobeying signs and signals is not only acceptable but even mandated by law. Only when the circumstances on a roadway have changed to make it unsafe are traffic control staff sent to direct traffic. Police officers, flaggers, crossing guards, and other authorized traffic control personnel must be obeyed by drivers at all times. Numerous drivers are unsure of how to act when they come across traffic control officials because it is not frequent to encounter them. The knowledge in this section will make any misunderstandings you may have regarding traffic controllers obvious.